Imagine uncovering a magical lamp. You summon an all-powerful cosmic entity capable of rewriting reality and ask it to finish folding your laundry. We have access to generative models that can synthesize the sum of human knowledge in seconds, yet we often use them to automate the most trivial parts of our day. Author Seth Godin calls this the banal djinni. To stop wasting these wishes, we're going to run a djinni audit. We are going to take one repetitive, automated task and re-engineer it into a purple cow, an output so remarkable that your audience can't help but notice it. Using a supercomputer to produce average results a few minutes faster does not solve the problem of being ignored. Let's redirect that power toward making work that actually matters. Open your most used AI interface. Identify a recent task you automated specifically to save time, something like a standard email blast or a basic project summary. Asking the machine for standard outreach or SEO-optimized blogs creates a faster average. These results are functionally invisible because they look exactly like everything else in the inbox. Godin's core insight is that in a crowded market, being safe is the riskiest move you can make. If your work blends in, it is effectively non-existent. Delete your current prompt. We are shifting the objective of the software. Instead of asking the tool to finish this, we are going to ask it to find the angle that makes the work impossible to ignore. Type this instead. Give me 5 unconventional, slightly risky ideas for my topic that a traditional corporation would be too afraid to publish. The value of the tool isn't in the final draft it produces, but in its ability to brainstorm the anomalies that a human mind, trained for compliance, might overlook. In a connection economy, value isn't created by reaching the most people. It's created by earning the trust of a specific tribe. Add this filter these ideas for a small audience of my specific niche. Focus entirely on solving their deepest frustration. Do not include a sales pitch. The result must feel written to solve the anxieties of one specific person you know. Prioritizing the customer's worldview over your own immediate sales metrics is the only way to earn the permission to talk to them again. Generating a remarkable idea inside a dashboard is only the beginning. You have to ship it, meaning it has to actually leave your computer and reach the audience. This is where automation usually fails. If you let the AI hit the send button without adding your own human insight, the recipient will sense the lack of empathy and tune it out. Let the machine do the structural heavy lifting, but use your own emotional insight to secure the connection. Take the raw output, apply your unique voice, and perform the final edits. Only then do you release it into the world. Art is the combination of this technological strategy and human empathy, delivered consistently to the people who care. By changing a single prompt from "complete this task" to "find a remarkable angle," you've turned a boring chore into an engine for human connection. On the left is the brown cow, the generic, safe email that gets deleted. On the right is the targeted communication your tribe has been waiting for. Technology will always offer you a shortcut to being average, but in a saturated market, average is the same as being invisible. Stop using your tools to fit in. Start using them to build work that would be missed by your audience if it were gone. The djinni is out of the bottle. You can use it to be average faster, or you can use it to make a ruckus.